Yes, it is.
But
I just bought. Smelling like a rich ghost haunting a cathedral is the exact vibe we're giving off in soft goth autumn. So here are some of the hauntingly seductive scents that we're wearing this fall. Dark angel energy is perfectly captured by Athalia from Parfum de Marly, which is one of the most beautiful powdery iris scents married to this like lovely orange blossom. It is so sexy and special. For a slightly more feminine but similar take, I would recommend Sophanade, also from Parfum de Marly. This is warm, it's musky, it's amber, it's got the most beautiful orange blossom and jasmine. I love this. For an office fragrance in the fall, I think Orpheon by Diptyque is perfect. It's so beautifully blended with some of my favorite fall notes like juniper berries, wood, cedar. Oh, I love an addition of tonka, and I got the little solid as well. I don't know why I don't hear more people talking about Après by Ellis Brooklyn. This is such a beautiful pine scent, but it is married to this concoction of boozy, bourbon, and praline. Oh, it's so good. Looking to smell like a mysterious little baked good? Look no further because Italica from Xerjoff has you covered. It is so delicious and spicy with cardamom, cinnamon. It smells exactly like marzipan. Oh my god, it is so delicious. Another dark seductive gourmand is Varnish Charnel by Epico, and oh my god, this is the dark caramel of my dreams. It's blended with like a sweet vanilla and amber. It's a little spicy. I love this one. If you like a syrupy scent, Tonka Cola is for you by Montserrat, and this is such a beast mode scent. Tonka bean, cola, cherry, cinnamon. Oh my god, I love this one. I've been waiting to wear it. Without a single doubt in my mind, the most absolutely mysterious, dark, vampy, sexy vanilla is Absolute Aphrodisiac by Onicio Paris. Oh my god, this is the darkest, muskiest vanilla with castoreum. Don't ask, just go smell it. Warm Milk by Commodity, a ton last fall, and I'll do it again this fall. It is a warm marshmallow accord, cold milk accord, and wood. It smells like a delicious campfire, but like rich. Vampy Goddesses, this one's for you. It is like a dark cacao cherry. It's spicy. It is unreal. It has almond. Just go get it. If you love a boozy scent, you'll love Miel Bourbon, which just came out from Le Monde Gourmand. It smells so good on its own, but it also smells beautiful layered with a more like dark fireplacey scent. Speaking of a fireplacey scent, Entrance by Andrea Mach is just that. You want to smell like a rich fireplace? I got you. This is the one. Let me know your favorite scent from this kind of category, and for the girls that still want to smell like a delicious little apple pie, I got you with the next video. Bye!